2022 is almost over. This year, I have asked my extended team at the Ministry of Health and Wellness to join me in reflecting collectively and to share some of the wins for our nation's health and wellness in the year 2022.
In 2022, the MRCU made a significant shift in our operational approach to control the mosquito population.
This year at MRCU, we recorded our lowest number of mosquitoes in our surveillance light traps in the last 4 years. Why is this important? Because even though Cayman saw 3 imported cases of malaria and 1 imported case of dengue, none of these resulted in local transmission of the diseases. Prevention is always better than cure, and that's a win.
There's no such thing as a slow day at the Department of Environmental Health. And really, that is the way we like it.
In July 2022, we removed 2 40-foot containers with recyclable items from Cayman to Grand Cayman to be shipped overseas. A total of 35,407 pounds of aluminum cans, type 1 and type 2 plastic, lead batteries, and used tires.
Why is this important? The more we do today to ease the burden for future generations of Caymanians is a win.
The Department of Counseling Services is made up of 3 entities: the Counseling Centre, Family Resource Centre, and Caribbean Haven Residential Centre.
The Counselling Centre provided over 10,000 hours of counselling and support to residents in all 3 islands.
The Family Resource Centre continues to work to strengthen Cayman families by providing numerous services to empower children and caregivers in developing and maintaining healthy and supportive relationships.
100 persons were admitted to Caribbean Haven Residential Centre between January and October 2022. In September, a new treatment program was launched to better meet the needs of a broader cross-section of clients, including those who have dual diagnosis with mental health and substance use disorders.
Why is this important? Because a key component of any well-functioning and holistic healthcare system is the provision of and access to mental health services. Working to ensure a happier, healthier, and more resilient population is always a win.
The National Drug Council continues to be incredibly busy. This year, we conducted the 11th cycle of the Cayman Islands Student Drug Use Survey. And excitingly, we were the first in the region to conduct a survey of its kind successfully, with 3,608 students participating from 18 schools across all 3 islands.
So why is this important? The data helps us to better understand what is happening in our schools and our community. It is proven that evidence-based programming and intervention changes lives, and that's a win.
Here at the HSA, we continue to strengthen our local health system. In the sister islands, we have made facility upgrades to the Faith Hospital to improve our patient experience, and we've expanded telemedicine to Little Cayman to ensure access and continuity of care for our most remote residents. Why is this important? Because, as the pandemic has taught us, there is no substitute for a resilient and accessible local healthcare system. Being able to fully support our people right here at home is always a win.
The Department of Health Regulatory Services was set up to effectively monitor and regulate the health insurance and healthcare industry in the Cayman Islands.
We are the body responsible for the inspection of health facilities, the registering of health practitioners, and enforcing compliance of the Health Insurance Act, among many other things.
Why is this important? Accountability helps to protect and empower patients, and that is a win.
Oh, and we've done a lot. It is said that gratitude can turn a meal into a feast, a house into a home, and a stranger into a friend. As your Minister for Health and Wellness, I am grateful for the resilience of our people, the tireless work of my team, and for the support which I've received daily, both from my constituents in Prospect, my family, from fellow Caymanians, and residents across our 3 islands. Whether you celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or simply the holidays, I wish you a happy everything and a prosperous 2023. May God bless you and continue to bless our beloved Cayman Islands.